There are gale force winds outside that may blow this house down. Genuinely a little scared. What's up, everybody? I'm Seth Fowler, and today I got a mystery box in the mail, and I have absolutely no idea what's inside it. So let's pop this guy open and see what we've got. The first thing you might notice is that this is not a tiny box. This is bigger than a shoebox. I genuinely do not know what this is. I didn't buy anything. I didn't lie about like buying a mystery box and then being like, oh, a mystery box showed up. I really don't know what this is. I saw on FedEx that something was coming. I didn't recognize the name. I didn't recognize where it was coming from, anything like that. So all I know is that it comes from Seth Fowler Express. Or SF Express, which I don't think is actually where the package is from, but that seems to be the box that they're using. So already off to a good start because I got a package that has my initials on it. If you like videos like this where I unbox things, I have a whole channel just dedicated to unboxings. It's usually electronics and random stuff that I find online. So if you'd like to check out that sort of stuff and go to a channel that only has strictly unboxings, that channel is linked in the description below. It's the top of the description, and I'm actually doing a sneaker giveaway in the next couple days. So make sure to subscribe. If you're subscribed, you'll be able to find out exactly when the giveaway goes live, and you'll probably have a better chance because I feel like in order for you to win the sneakers, you probably have to be subscribed to the unboxing channel. I guess I don't feel like that. You will have to be subscribed in order to win the sneakers, so that's a requirement for the giveaway. But if you want to just check out the unboxing channel now, see what it's all about, make sure to click that link. It's a lot of fun. I just unboxed a router that was stupid expensive, and I've unboxed an iPhone and all sorts of good stuff, so it's a really fun channel. But I'm going to turn the box this way so you guys can see what it is first. I don't have any guesses even. Let's just open it up. Oh, whoa, okay. It's a bunch of AAPE by BAPE stuff. Nice. Of course, it comes with a card, and the card says, "Hi, this is our latest collection, AAPE Dimension. Hope you like it, Christine." Well, thank you so much, Christine. I really appreciate it. AAPE's been sending me some stuff recently. I really like what they're doing. They're killing it, and they're a subdivision of BAPE. So if you guys like BAPE, you're gonna love AAPE. Let me put this box on the ground so it doesn't steal all the focus. And let's pull out the first thing inside the box, which is AAPE by Bathing Ape. A giant bag which seems to have some Dragon Ball Z stuff going on. I don't know, a lot of you guys are huge Dragon Ball Z fans. I myself am not the biggest Dragon Ball Z fan. In fact, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've ever seen an episode of Dragon Ball Z. I've only ever played Budokai, is that what it is? On GameCube. But ooh, this is actually really nice. No way, that's sick. So it looks like AAPE is actually doing a collaboration with Dragon Ball Z, and the front has Goku and Frieza, and it says AAPE now, I think, by Bathing Ape. This is actually a crewneck sweater. It's a little bit thinner than most crewneck sweaters, but it is a crewneck sweater and not a t-shirt. It feels really nice. On the back, you've got, let's see, Goku and Frieza. Oh, I really like this a lot. I don't even like Dragon Ball Z. What a surprise package, man. Well, I'm gonna be wearing some Dragon Ball Z stuff, I guess. Hope you guys are into that. The print quality feels really nice, and the material that they're using for this sweatshirt is super soft, especially on the inside, too. Let's throw it on. We're gonna go for it. That's solid. I really like this a lot. So next up inside the box, we've got another AAPE bag. This looks like another sweater, but it's got mainly the AAPE logo on it, I think. Look at that. This is really nice. That print quality is solid. The material that they're using actually seems to be, is it slightly thicker? It feels slightly thicker from the outside. So I think this is a slightly warmer crewneck sweater, but I love that logo. That's awesome. This is probably my favorite thing inside the box. I'm calling it now. Like, I know there's actually a bunch of stuff in here. So maybe not, but this is number one right now. I like the Dragon Ball Z stuff, but like I said, not a huge Dragon Ball Z fan, but this is something I could rock every day. I might still rock this every day too, because this is actually pretty clean. Did they send me pants? No, what? Are these joggers? These are joggers. So these are black AAPE joggers, as you can tell by the AAPE logos, and also the box itself being an AAPE box, so you'd assume. On the back, you've got some logos around the pockets, right there. You've also got some logos around the front too, AAPE Universe, I think on the knees, and then a barcode on the back of the right leg. The material seems like, it's kind of canvasy feeling, but it's more like nylon-y. I don't really know how to describe it. It's kind of like a thin, sort of like bomber jacket material. Seriously, huge thank you to you guys over at AAPE, man. This is sick. You guys really went all out in this. This is awesome. This is a sweatshirt. I got really excited about that one. Somewhere in the AAPE universe. Look at that. This is awesome. I realize it seems like I might be playing this up a little bit, but this is genuinely a really sick package. This is all stuff that I would wear, and that genuinely doesn't happen all the time. Usually I'll get a package and like maybe 75% of the stuff I will wear, but then there's like 1 or 2 things that I'm not a huge fan of and I give away to a friend or someone. But this package so far, everything I'm digging. It's even got embroidered soldiers on the left sleeve right there. Wow, this is really nice. I love that logo on the back too with the bones underneath the ape face. Okay, so it looks like there actually is 2 more things inside the box. One of which is, you know, a pair of shoes, of course. And the other thing is a fanny pack or like a waist bag or something like that. This is really nice. You got the ape face in the front. It comes in bright yellow. It's sort of a nylon material. Feels pretty durable. You've got a bathing ape on the strap. Quality clothing we make, satisfaction and happiness you take. Somewhere in the ape universe. This is really nice. Should I do like a hypebeast situation? Hold up. I'm not a hypebeast. I'm really not. But I look like one now. This is probably the most hypebeast thing I've ever worn in my entire life, except for shoes. Do I look like I'm waiting in line for the new Yeezy drop? I still dig it. Okay, the last thing inside the box is, of course, a pair of sneakers. And I didn't even know that they were coming out with another pair of sneakers. Unless it's the same one, but I don't think it is. This is a different box than the box that they sent me last time. I'm excited to see it. I really like the other sneakers that they sent over. Whoa, these are different. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. This is super different than their last collection. I actually really like it. I like these better. I like these a lot better. I have no idea what these are called, to be honest with you. Let's see if there's a name on them. There's no name on the box, unfortunately. These are the, well, I have the style code, but no name, unfortunately. I'll have to do a little bit of research and I'll pop the name up on the screen somewhere, but these have a really nice sort of almost Air Max vibe to them, especially on the toe. This is a really cool looking sneaker. It's got that sort of dad shoe aesthetic. I know that aesthetic or that sort of word or phrase or term is kind of going out of style, but the design itself I don't think is, and I think these more sort of classic 90s styled or 90s inspired trainers are really still in fashion. And I think this sneaker really fits into that sort of type really well. This is actually probably more wearable than some of their other sneakers because it fits with more outfits. Like the other ones that they had were sock-like sneakers, which were very comfortable and were very easy to wear, but this one I think would go with more of what I have and what I wear. Of course, you've got the ape branding in the midfoot, a nice little ape face in the heel. You've also got this little ape tag, which I think I'll take off. You've got ape on the toe, of course, and ape on the tongue. This colorway in particular comes in sort of a white, cream, and light pink colorway, like very light pink, maybe like a super light blush color. You've got a ton of different materials. You've got these white rope laces. You've got this sort of neoprene feeling material on the tongue. You've got sort of a synthetic leather around the toe that has this really smooth feel to it. A super thick and chunky midsole, which I really like. I can't really tell what this rib material is. It feels like neoprene that's been molded or pressed, and you see it really well on the medial side, but on the lateral side, you only really see it near the heel. You've also got this really nice sock liner too, this nice mesh sock liner, and also this sharp heel counter, which really kind of makes the back of this sneaker stand out, as well as this sort of swept back outsole too. I didn't even notice that. The way that they layered the upper too is really nice, and you've also got some 3M hits underneath. Super clean sneaker. Super clean. The outsole of the shoe comes in white with some cream accents, and it's got some nice tread too, so I'm sure this is going to be good for slicker days like winter and snowy days, maybe. Maybe not snow, but probably more like fall. Maybe if you need to go on a trek or something, I don't know. But the tread is nice. I'm really digging this collection. Their last collection was solid. There was a couple things that I wasn't like in love with, but this one, everything's great. I really like everything. The only thing I probably wouldn't wear on a regular basis is this bag right here, but I'll give it to my fiance. She'll love it. So I'm stoked on it. There's a lot of good stuff here. This hoodie too. This hoodie in particular is fire. Absolutely love it. You got the hoodie, you got the sweatshirt that I'm wearing right now, you've got the pants, and then of course you've got the other Ape Now sweatshirt. So it's definitely a more fall-winter collection, which makes sense because of the timing, but I think they killed it. I think they did a great job, especially with these shoes too. I'm really blown away by these sneakers. It's definitely a different design direction than what they did in the past, and I think they made the right call. I think this is a really clean and really interesting new way to go. Huge thank you to AAPE for sending this stuff over. The sneakers are awesome. I love them. The clothing is also great. I'm really blown away by how much I like everything. Also, of course, don't forget to check out my unboxing channel, which is also linked in the description, and I'll be doing a sneaker giveaway on that channel in the very near future, so make sure to subscribe. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.